Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez relationship, navigating rumors and speculation. The recent sighting of Ben Affleck hiding his ring finger from paparazzi has sparked rumors of trouble in his marriage to Jennifer Lopez. Affleck was seen covering his left hand with a sweater while picking up his son from school, fueling speculation about the state of their relationship. Interestingly, Affleck's son, Samuel, took the opportunity to turn the tables on the paparazzi by capturing their pictures using a professional camera. This article delves into the rumors surrounding Affleck and Lopez's marriage, examining the events that have triggered speculation and the couple's actions amid the public scrutiny. Met Gala absence and lack of photographs. Speculation about the couple's relationship began when Ben Affleck did not accompany Jennifer Lopez to the Met Gala, a prestigious event where they were expected to make a glamorous appearance. This absence raised eyebrows and led to questions about the status of their union. Furthermore, the couple had not been photographed together for over a month, adding fuel to the rumors of a potential rift. Social media engagement. In the era of social media, even the most subtle actions can trigger speculation. Jennifer Lopez liking an Instagram post about unhealthy relationships only heightened the curiosity surrounding the couple. While it is important to remember that social media engagement does not always directly reflect one's personal life, fans and media outlets often interpret these actions as significant clues. Living apart and recent appearances. Reports have surfaced that Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez have been living apart in May, further intensifying the rumors. However, despite the ongoing speculation, the couple was recently seen together, with Affleck wearing his wedding band. This sighting seemed to contradict the rumors, but it is worth noting that Affleck has also been spotted without his ring. Jennifer Lopez, on the other hand, has continued to wear her wedding ring while attending various events. Navigating public scrutiny. For high-profile celebrity couples like Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez, dealing with relentless media scrutiny can be challenging. Every action, or lack thereof, is scrutinized and dissected by the public and the press. While it is natural for fans to be curious about the personal lives of their favorite stars, it is important to remember that celebrities deserve privacy and the freedom to navigate their relationships away from the spotlight. Maintaining privacy and addressing rumors. Both Affleck and Lopez have chosen to remain tight-lipped about the rumors surrounding their marriage. They have neither confirmed nor denied any issues, allowing the media and fans to speculate. It is worth respecting their decision to keep their personal lives private and not jump to conclusions based solely on photographs or social media activity. The recent rumors surrounding Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez's marriage have generated significant interest and speculation. While Affleck's actions, such as hiding his ring finger, and Lopez's social media engagement have fueled rumors of trouble, it is important to approach these speculations with caution. Celebrities deserve their privacy and the freedom to navigate their relationships away from the constant scrutiny of the public eye. As fans, it is crucial to respect their choices and not jump to conclusions based solely on fleeting photographs or social media activity. Ultimately, the true nature of their relationship can only be known by Affleck and Lopez themselves.